In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple lines to text inside a single cell in Microsoft Excel. Well, normally if you type something in a cell in Microsoft Excel, let's say my name is Yuva, and normally you just hit the enter button and you automatically go to the next row. Okay, so if you want to add another line, you just type it in the row 2. I am 32 years old. So sometimes we need to make these two lines inside a single cell, and we need to do a simple trick so you can do this in your own worksheet. I'll show you how. First, let's just delete it, and then let's type the text that you want. Let's say my name is Yuva, and if you want to add another line inside a single cell without changing into the next row, you need to hit the Alt button and then enter. Okay, you see that the next row appear below your cell. Let's type I am 32 years old. And then let's prove it again by hitting the Alt plus Enter button. I am a student of applied economics. So you see that you have three lines appear inside the row number 1. Okay, these three lines will appear inside this single cell. And then if you type enter, you see that this line is automatically wrapped by Microsoft Excel. And if you click this cell, you see this wrap tag is active. And you just need to tidy this cell because it will make it better to see. Then let's just tidy the column. Let's move this with column. Okay. And then for the row, let's just double click this place. Now you have three lines inside a single cell in Microsoft Excel. And if you take a look at the formula bar, you also have three lines here. So if you scroll down like this, you have three lines appear on your formula bar and also in the single cell. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video.